Hey everybody, it's Jeff, and this is the Indie Game Legend 3D! Development log, update 14. We're just up to about 100 days into this project and nearing an alpha, so there's been lots to do. Let's take a look. Our minigame prototype was integrated into the game. We added a win and lose condition, then got the main game to run the minigame when you bring all the data keys to a terminal. It's far from done, but just adding some enemy variation and random obstacles to avoid already made it more engaging. It's a fun game mode to discover. Even though our nearest goal is focused on the first 3 sectors, I spent some time continuing to push forward on getting the rest of the sectors in. Last week I started the 6th sector, Liquid Reservoir. This is going to be an underwater sector, and we already figured out a good screen effect to reflect that. Besides the usual smaller fixes and updates, we took care of a few outstanding polish items. For example, you now fall to the ground when you die, letting the moment land instead of instantly taking you back to the menu. Bosses also suffered from an instant death, so we added more drama with some explosions. We improved the root overlay in the second boss's root attack, and we added a classic bouncing arrow to continuing dialogue. Speaking of dialogue, we added a faster skip feature if you hold the button down. We also started adding dialogue to Sector 2. Another significant and last-minute addition is a third attack mode, the ult. Before, once your secondary weapon ammo was full, collecting gems didn't have much value outside of completionism. So we added a new meter that only fills when your secondary is full. When this meter is full, you can perform your ultimate attack, a dramatic and powerful attack that destroys everything around you. Already I've noticed this adds another layer of depth to the game. It only charges when your secondary fire is full, so charging it means not using your secondary attack. It also incentivizes engaging enemies to get their gems because it is a slow meter to charge. Then once it's charged, you have to decide when you want to use it. So I'm pretty happy with it. Well, we've been finishing our alpha testing pipeline, so soon we'll be opening it up to more of you. We have more dialogue to get in and more work on the minigame, but we'll start testing anyway. Hopefully we'll have those done by next update, and I'll be reporting back with what we learn from our testers. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and say hi on our Facebook page, which now has over 1,500 likes in just a few weeks. Thanks to all of you that liked our page. And as usual, join me Monday through Thursday afternoons on Twitch as I continue to develop the Indie Game Legend 3D.